Good afternoon from Nairobi. Welcome to our EGM Securities update. I got Calvin. Calvin, it's been an extraordinary week. We've seen incredible price movements.
Sure.
Back to the old days when there was a lot of volatility. Yeah. So Calvin, what we've seen is quite a recovery in cable. I've seen, more kinder language from both sides. I think talking about a short time horizon before they agree terms. What's cable telling you?
Absolutely. Cable is telling me still bullish, being supported also by the fall on the dollar. And apart from that, the geopolitical within the European zone, it's another key factor that I'm really following very closely. But so far, we have nothing major that will tend to change the direction of the cable. So at this particular point, I'm still bullish on this particular product. For me, the levels that I'm currently targeting is 1.33, 158. And also once it breaks that, I'll target the next level, the 50 Fibonacci, which will be 1.35.
But we're still far below levels we were before. If you look back, look at that. That's that was in April this year.
Yes, correct.
So, I mean, is this a really big potential move, in your opinion? Could we be going back as high as that?
Absolutely, yes, we could be going a little bit higher. And mostly, if the dollar continue weakening, I'll see this particular product going further higher. But on the same, if remember you said you're bullish on the dollar.
Yes.
So if it start going up, I'll not see this big recovery. So I'll just observe what the market does, and I'll be able to trade that particular product according to the market.
So bullish on sterling, bullish on the euro.
And then also on the index.
Yes.
Any stock market within the US, just sell. Close
your eyes. You're bearish.
Totally big time bearish.
Now, what is driving that thinking? Tell me.
Well,
is it the charts? The charts are telling you to sell? Yeah,
the charts they're telling me to sell. And apart from that, you can be able to see from yesterday, let me narrow down. You can be able to see these three particular candles. There are actually four of them. It tells you sellers, they are much more stronger.
Yes.
We saw a big sell-off.
S&P 500 we're
yes,
looking at.
We saw a big sell-off. And apart from that, it wasn't just the S&P. All the stock index, we saw big sell-off. So for me, I can be able to say, you remember we have been having a big rally on the S&P with no correction. So I think at this particular point, people will start exiting most of their long position. And apart from that, they'll start building some short position. So for me, as a long-term trader, you can be able to see.
What are you looking for then? If you're looking at it from a long-term basis, 2,400?
Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah. So I've started building some short position, and I'll hold it even for some months. The beauty with S&P, once it takes direction, it always goes like that. From this particular chart, since 2008, the moment it took direction, you saw how it went up.
Yes, we're looking right back. God goodness, that's a great chart. This is looking back to whole 10 years. That was the dump, the crash.
Yes,
right?
Correct. Yeah.
This is now the rally, this huge rally everyone saw. And what you're calling is the top here. You're saying after 10 years, enough's enough.
Enough is enough. So I think we'll see a big sell-off from now on. So that's why I'm very comfortable starting to build long-term position that I can even hold for a month.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So you're looking for a big move here.
Yeah, absolutely.